Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Since summer has already arrived and we always want something to drink to beat the heat, I have come up with 6 drinks which are healthy and very quick to prepare. But make sure when you prepare those drinks, do not use refrigerated water or ice, as having chilled water drink can disturb the digestion process, which may lead to bloating or constipation. Instead, use matka water or mud pot water, which are naturally cool in nature and will not hinder our digestion process. Also, do not use refined sugar or refined salt, as we know they are not healthy. Instead, use sindha salt or black salt in place of refined salt, and jaggery or honey in place of refined sugar. Let's check out the drink. But before checking out, if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And for regular updates, click on the bell icon. The first summer drink is coconut water. They are rich in fiber, vitamin C and several other important minerals. It also contains antioxidant that protects our cells from the damage caused by free radical. The best part of this drink is we don't have to prepare anything. We just have to go to any shop or get it through some shop and have it by opening its mouth. It's so simple and refreshing. The second summer drink is mint lemonade. It promotes hydration, rich in vitamin C, aids digestion and supports weight loss. To prepare, take a mixture jar, put few leaves of mint and coriander leaves, add lemon juice, black salt, cumin powder. Add little bit of water and churn it. Take out the paste in a glass and add some water. Your salty and citric mint lemonade is ready. In case you need sweet, add 2 to 3 spoons of honey. The third summer drink is masala chach or buttermilk. It reduces acidity, fights constipation, helps to detox the body and provide us with essential vitamins and minerals. To prepare it, take a mixture jar, put mint leaves, green chilies, ginger, curd, black salt, cumin powder, black pepper and churn it. Take it out in a glass and add some water. Make sure that the water quantity is equal or more than curd and your buttermilk is ready. The fourth summer drink is watermelon juice. We know how refreshing it is. Other than being refreshing, it has various health benefits like it provides instant energy, helps in digestion, helps in losing weight, maintains BP, keeps eyes and heart healthy. To prepare, add some watermelon cubes in mixer jar and churn it for 30 seconds for 2 to 3 times. Doing this, the seed of the melon will not get crushed. Take out the juice in a strainer, strain it and the refreshing watermelon juice is ready. Make sure when you make the juice, take a sweet watermelon so that you don't have to add any sugar in it. Your drink will be naturally sweet. The fifth summer drink is cucumber cooler. It keeps us hydrated, contains antioxidant and helps in weight loss. To prepare the cucumber cooler, in a mixer add cucumber, mint leaves, lemon, cumin powder, black pepper, black salt and grind the mixer and pour it into a glass and your cucumber cooler is ready. The sixth drink is Aam Panna. It beats the heat by rehydrating the body. It is rich in several vitamins like A, B1, B2, C, iron and other minerals. It cures digestive disorder and builds immune system. To prepare it, cut the mango after removing the skin. Pressure cook the mango with some water for 2 to 3 whistles. When the pressure is released, add cumin powder, black pepper, black salt and grind them well. I have used here hand blender. You can do the same in mixer jar as well. Take out the puree in a bowl, add some jaggery and your mango panna puree is ready. You can store it in a fridge and when you want you can add some water and have the drink.